Here's a couple of quick tips that I've found really useful on DaVinci Resolve. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you've got a bunch of clips, but you've got some gaps between the clips and you want to remove those gaps? Well, here's how we can set up a keyboard customization to do that really quick. So up the top, we're going to go to DaVinci Resolve. We'll choose keyboard customization. This is the same for a Mac, by the way. Over on the right-hand side in the search box, we're going to type in delete gaps. We'll select that and we'll need to assign it to a keyboard shortcut. You can assign this to whatever you like. I'm going to assign this one to the number 0. Let's just hit that. We'll give it a preset name. I'm going to call it delete gaps. Click close. And now when I hit 0 on my keyboard, all the gaps are gone. Now the next tip I want to share with you is when we've already got a color graded piece of footage, but we want to apply that grade to a whole bunch of other pieces of footage. So let's just grab this one of the fish here. I'm just going to apply a LUT. It doesn't really matter what it looks like. So we've applied one here. So let's say we want to now apply that same LUT to one or more pieces of footage that we might have. So what we'll do is we'll hold down Control and we'll select all the clips by going to the last one. So let's assume we've got a whole bunch of them and we'll select that one as well. Then what we'll do is we'll click the scroll wheel on our mouse and we can see that grade has now been applied to all the other clips we selected, and that's going to save you a lot of time. So if those quick tips helped you out today, don't forget to subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. We'll see you back here for some more great videos. You have a great day.